Hey everyone, welcome to Ask Dr Gearhead, my new Q&A feature. Today's question is, what's one of the most neglected automotive maintenance tasks? Replacing brake fluid. Think about it. You know it's important to change your brake pads and rotors when they get worn, but when was the last time you replaced your brake fluid? And I don't mean top it off. I mean, when was the last time you had your entire brake system flushed out with all new fluid? But it's not that important. Is it? Yes, it is. Why? Brake fluid is hygroscopic. It means that brake fluid attracts water, and that's not something you want in your brake system, because water can freeze, easily boils, and promotes rust and corrosion in brake lines and calipers. So if you like for your vehicle to stop when you apply the brakes, and you want your brake system to serve you well for years to come, completely flush your brake system with all new brake fluid every 2 years. It's a lot more important than you may have realized.